Hi, I am Paul from VIEZU and Paramount Performance, and we're going to play our usual weekly game of What's in the Workshop Today. We've actually got quite a busy workshop today, so I'm just going to walk you through a couple of jobs. First of all, we have this lovely XFR in. This is in for quite a lot of work. Thanks Nick for the background noise. First of all, it's having its supercharger removed to change the Y pipe, so quite a big job, but essential maintenance being carried out, as well as the Y pipe work and the coolant work that Mitt's doing. We're also fitting a lovely pair of these 200 cell catalytic converters. Don't they look absolutely lovely? Really, really nice craftsmanship and welding on these. And very importantly, these cats are EC approved, so approved to use on European roads. 200 cell cats, great for performance and help keep your engine breathing and a little bit cooler. So we're going to be fitting those as well and updating the tuning to accommodate for them as well. So that's Mitt busy for a couple of days. Follow me this way and we're going to pan on to Matt here. Matt is fitting an exhaust system to this XFR. This is an existing customer we've done quite a lot of work for. Come this way and I'll show you the exhaust system. What's really lovely about this exhaust system is it's our switchable system. So this system is designed by us in-house, it's unique to us, and it has this valve system for the XFR. So when you want your system to be really nice and loud, it basically bypasses the rear box and gives you the equivalent pretty much of a straightforward exhaust system. Matt, could you possibly make any more noise while I'm talking? You know I'm kidding. Press the button though, valve closes, and then you start to use this rear box. So switchable system that really does give you the best of both worlds. Matt, please crack on. I know the customer is waiting for this one. So that's a full catback system that's switchable. Follow me this way because we've got more. Oh, I'll stop you on these. Quite an exciting delivery came in just yesterday. These are our latest batch of Howard TVS 2300 Superchargers. Another 7 of these now in stock. In fact, 3 of them left last night straight out of the door. We've got 7 more in stock. In fact, I think 2 of these are already sold as well. And what's nice is these new supercharger pulleys are coming with the smaller, these new Howard superchargers are coming with a smaller supercharger pulley fitted already. So we've shrunk that pulley even further to create more boost pressure. So that's new stock in. Come this way. Back from the body shop last week is our own in-house Predator 2. This is now sporting our wide flared body kit. I know it's a bit extreme, I know it's not for everybody, but it does make a statement. What we've got to do now is space these wheels out a little bit more, set the geometry up just to fill these arches, but these are full functional flared arches, so it means we can actually sink the car right down on them. So rear arches, front arches, all flared, looking pretty damn aggressive. Of course, this is one of our show vehicles, so it's how we want it to be, a little bit over the top. And of course, this car is running 725 brake horsepower as well. And then last project on the go today. This again is one of our own vehicles. This is our XFR test and development vehicle. It's already running our supercharger chiller kit. It's already running the TVS Harrop larger supercharger, and at the moment we're topping out at about 725, 730 brake horsepower. We want more, so this project this week is coming in for E85 fuel tuning. So we're getting some pink and detonation at the moment. No matter how much more cooling we add, we're unable to stop that. So the next project is to switch the car to E85 fueling, and we are pushing for big, big brake horsepower. So this is full on R&D. I expect this car to be on the dyno probably for at least 5 days while we're tuning for the E85 and adapting to see just how much more power we can get. Sorry for rambling on so much, but as you can see, we're busy as always, and that's just a little bit of an insight of what's in the workshop today.